This is a lesson on prime factorizations for 4th grade. If I were looking to take the number, for example, 36, and do a prime factorization for the number 36, we all know 36 is not prime because right away I can tell it's an even number, so it's divisible by 2. So what you do is, the quickest way is just to do a factor tree. I know 2 is a factor of 36, so I say to myself, what number is 36 doubled? Or 2 goes into 36 how many times? If I'm unsure, I can do a little division problem here on the side. And I see that the answer is 18. So I would draw an 18 here. I know 2 is prime. I can't draw any more branches from there, so I'm going to underline that to remind myself. I know 18 is not prime, so I draw my branches. I think of what prime number, what can go into 18, what are the factors of 18. I know it's another 2 and it's a 9. So again, I say to myself, 2 is prime. I can't go any further than a 2 and a 1, which is how I know it's prime. But 9 is not prime. There are factors of 9. The first thing that comes to mind is 3 times 3. So you see that every time these factors, when we draw branches, can be multiplied together to get the product at the top. So I now look at 3 and say, can I go any further? The factors of 3 are 3 and 1, so I know that's prime and that's prime. So over here, I'm going to write my factorization. I count up how many 2's I have. I have 1, 2, 2 2's. So it's 2 times 2. Now I look, and the other number I have is a 3. 1, 3, 2 3's. So I go like this. To double check it, I say 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 4 times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. 36, I look at back, my starting numbers at 36, that's a check. To write this in a more abbreviated form, I could take the 2 2's and say that's 2 to the power of 2, or 2 with an exponent of 2, times I have 2 3's. 3 is my base, and I say 2 because I have 2 3's. And that's how you do a prime factorization.